Hello friends, today's word is मैं कौन सी मैं कौन सी मैं कौन सी. Its sound, opinion or pronunciation is written as मैं कौन सी मैं कौन सी means it doesn't matter. Its stroke order is written as it consists of three characters. मैं कौन सी. मैं has already we make video on that in the last video is related to May. So we proceed to the next two characters. Kwan Shi. Kwan. Its stroke order is written as Tian, Tie, Ang, Ang, Tie, Na. Next character is Shi. Kwan Shi. Its stroke order is written as PA, PH, PH, Tien, Shuko, PA, Tien. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.